Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.